Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term satire. Introduction. Satire, a literary art dating back to ancient times, is a powerful tool used by authors to deride and criticize various aspects of society, individuals, institutions, and human nature itself. It employs humor, wit, and irony to evoke attitudes of amusement, contempt, scorn, or indignation towards its targets. Unlike comedy, which aims primarily to entertain, satire seeks to serve as a corrective force, exposing and ridiculing societal failings and corrigible faults. This video explores the nature and forms of satire, its historical development, and its role as a critical genre in literature. Satire and its distinction from comedy. Satire differs from comedy in its purpose and approach. While comedy aims to elicit laughter as an end in itself, satire employs laughter as a weapon to critique and condemn its subjects. It addresses buts that exist outside the work, including individuals, types of people, classes, institutions, nations, or even humanity as a whole. This critical stance sets satire apart from the lightheartedness of comedy as it seeks to unmask and challenge societal flaws. Formal and indirect satire. Satire can take various forms, including formal or direct and indirect expressions. Formal satire involves a first-person satiric persona who speaks directly to the reader or engages with a character, the adversarius, within the work. There are two primary types of formal satire, Horatian and Juvenalian. The Horatian satire adopts an urbane and witty tone, finding amusement in human folly, while the Juvenalian satire employs a serious and moralistic voice, condemning vices and errors with indignation. Indirect satire and literary adaptations. Indirect satire uses narrative or other literary forms to ridicule its targets. Menippean satire, based on Greek form developed by Menippus, employs a mix of prose and verse, often presenting absurd and eccentric characters engaged in dialogues that mock their viewpoints and attitudes. Satirical adaptations of historical events, voyage accounts, and political economy serve as examples of indirect satire. Satire across literary history. Satire has thrived throughout literary history, and significant contributions have been made by renowned authors from various periods. Restoration and 18th century English literature in particular witnessed a surge of notable satirists like Dryden, Swift, Pope, and Johnson, who wielded satire to address social and political issues. American writers like Mark Twain also left a lasting impact on the satirical tradition, exemplified in works such as The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Conclusion. Satire, with its sharp wit and insightful criticism, has remained an essential genre in literature. From ancient times to the modern era, writers have employed satire to expose human follies, challenge social norms, and offer corrective insights. By combining humor and criticism, satire provides a unique lens through which readers can engage with societal issues and consider paths to improvement. So this was the discussion on the term satire. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.